In this video, we can see how to execute our script in SAS Labs. So for executing in SAS Labs, so first I'm going to saslabs.com, and here we need to create the account. So this is the user settings account. The primary thing you need to get is the access key and then the on-demand URL. So this is the hub for where our script is going to run in SAS Labs. So we need to have these two things. Once you're registered, you can get these two links from the user settings. Okay, I'm going to the profile, then user settings. You can find these two options. And again, in SAS Labs, you can check the execution in this particular site. So once we ran, we can come to this site and we can check about these test results. So these are the tests that has been already executed. So I will show you how to execute and how to monitor here. So these are the settings we need to do in saslab.com. So now we go to our script. I will explain the script. So here inside the SAS Labs, so I am having two Java class. One is the base test, one is the SAS test, and test-ng regression.xml. So in the base test, we are going to define all the capabilities needed for SAS Labs and which browser we are going to run. So these capabilities we can have in base test. And SAS test, we can have some two methods, and we try to run that one. Okay. Let me show you the base test. Okay, so in the base test, I'm passing three parameters: browser, platform, and version. So these are the input from the test-ng regression. Let me show you that. So here the parameter is browser is Firefox. The version of Firefox browser is 128. I need to run in SAS Labs in the platform of Windows 10. Again, another parameter I'm passing here. So this is a browser Chrome, that is a version 131 in the platform. Here I'm going to open the Chrome in Mac. The version is 10.15. So here I'm going to open. So these two parameters, these two settings I'm passing in the test. Okay, so let me explain the code. So here we have mutable capabilities and the object is SAS ops. So all the SAS lab settings we are going to pass into this particular object. So here the build, selenium version, username. So I show you in the user settings. Okay, so this is the username and then the access key from the SAS Labs access key. So we need to pass it here, and these all soft options I'm going to pass it as desired capabilities to these options. So first I'm creating mutable capabilities and then desired capabilities. Desired cap object. Here I'm going to pass all the SAS options into this desired capabilities, and then the browser version and the platform name. And we have defined the browser also. So based on the browser name, it should set the desired capabilities. Either should be Chrome or it should be a Firefox. So these options we are passing from the test.ng XML. Browser version platform. Browser based on Firefox or Chrome, it is going to decide which capability it is going to pass. So this is all about the mutable capabilities for SAS options and desired capabilities, how we are passing the SAS options into the desired capabilities, and what the capability we are setting here. So after that, you need to open the driver in the SAS Labs hub. So this is the URL for SAS Labs hub. You need to set it as a remote driver. Okay, so all the settings I have created here. So I'm creating another Java function extending this base test. So what I'm doing is this is not much important. So just I'm logging inside the SAS demo, and I'm creating two functions. So that we can just see how it is getting executed in the SAS Labs cloud. Okay, so three functions. One is login, and the next one is check inventory item test and check add to cart button test. So here I am opening the SAS demo.com, and then the username and password to enter inside, and clicking the login button. So once logged in, the first test will be like how many items are there. If it is matching to 6, then we are creating asserted assert row. So here we are finding how many items are size are there. So expected value is 6, so that it should get passed. The next one is check add cart button test. How many add to cart button is present there? So driver dot find elements by this X path, add to cart. What is the size of it? If the size is matching to 6, then it should be asserted as a true. If not, it has to fail. So the main thing is we can see how it is getting executed in the SAS labs, and these particular settings has to work. Okay, three things. One is base test and the SAS test, and passing the parameters from the test-ng regression XML. So let me execute the script, and we can see the execution in this page. Okay, let us see the execution here. So we are running from test-ng suite. Run as test-ng suite. I'm opening the test results in SAS labs. It should execute here. Let us wait. Okay, so we can see here it is currently running. Check inventory test. Okay. Okay, now we have 4 tests ran and got completed. So these are the 4 tests. So what it's doing is it is totally we have 2 methods. So that is running in the Firefox browser in the Windows 10 platform, and we have 2 methods. So that is running in the Chrome 131 version in the Mac OS. So all our 4 tests got completed, and you can see from here, and you can see the logs and video also. Let me open this. It's Firefox that ran in Windows 10 platform. So here you can see the video. You can see the Firefox got opened and is going to search the searchtest.com. It is going to log in, clicking the login button, and it is going to search for the items on the add cart button, and is going to get closed. So you can see the video here, and you can see the logs here, what the particular actions has been done and what time, with screenshots and the logs. Okay, so this is how we need to execute our script in SAS labs. Thank you.